In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Freezing columns is really helpful when you're working with large spreadsheets and you want certain information, like names or IDs, to stay visible while you scroll across to the right. Instead of losing track of what each column means, you can lock those key columns in place so they're always on screen. First, open your Google Sheet in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account and that the sheet you want to work on is visible. Take a moment to look at the top and left edges of the sheet. Along the top, you'll see the column letters, A, B, C, and so on. Along the left side, you'll see the row numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. We're going to focus on those column letters. Decide which columns you want to keep frozen. A common example is freezing just the first column or the first two columns, especially if they contain labels like name or product. Click on the letter at the top of the last column you want to freeze. For instance, if you want to freeze columns A and B, click on the letter B at the top of that column. The entire column should highlight. Now, move your attention to the top menu bar. Click on the View menu. From the drop-down, hover over the option called Freeze. This will open a small submenu where you'll see several choices, such as No Columns, 1 Column, 2 Columns, and Up to Current Column. If you just want to quickly freeze the first column or the first 2 columns, you can use the 1 Column or 2 Columns options. But if you've selected a specific column, choose Up to Current Column. For example, if column B is selected and you choose Up to Current Column, columns A and B will now be frozen. You'll notice a thick gray line appear between the frozen columns and the rest of your sheet. Try scrolling horizontally to the right. The columns you froze will stay in place on the left, while the other columns move as you scroll. This is how you'll know it worked. If you ever want to change this, go back to View, then Freeze, and choose a different option, or select No Columns to unfreeze everything. You can adjust this at any time, so feel free to experiment until it fits the way you like to work with your data.